Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva to earn money. Canva is an incredibly versatile design tool that empowers anyone to create stunning visuals, even without prior design experience. We'll explore several practical ways you can transform your design skills into a steady income stream. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or build a full-time business, Canva provides the resources you need to succeed. Let's dive into how you can begin earning today. One of the most direct ways to earn money with Canva is by offering freelance design services. Many small businesses and individuals need professional graphics, but lack the budget for traditional design agencies. You can create custom logos, engaging social media posts, and eye-catching marketing flyers using Canva's extensive features. Build a strong portfolio showcasing your best work and market your services on popular freelance platforms. With a little effort, you can secure your first client and start earning within days. Another fantastic opportunity is to design and sell digital products or templates. Think about creating customizable social media templates, planners, or even ebook covers that others can purchase and edit. Canva makes it simple to design these assets, and once created, they can generate passive income for you. Platforms like Etsy are perfect for selling these digital goods, reaching a wide audience. You can set your prices, often ranging from $5 to $50 per template, and watch your earnings grow. To maximize your earning potential, focus on building a strong personal brand and effectively marketing your services. Use Canva to create a cohesive brand identity for yourself, from your logo to your social media presence. Regularly share your best designs and engage with your audience on platforms like Instagram or Pinterest. Networking with other creatives and potential clients can open up new opportunities. Remember, consistent effort in marketing can significantly increase your visibility and lead to more projects and sales.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.